part of the book tours and book signing that I have been going through after July 6, when the third edition of my first book was published. No, this is actually the third edition of the Bases of Our Insecurity. The latest third edition contains a special introduction and postscript contextualizing the latest Philippine challenge in the new Cold War. When the first edition was published in 1983, I had just started teaching as a professor at the University of the Philippines. And little did I know that this book would become a Bible of some sort to the anti-basis movement in the country.